In today's video, I'll show you how to add a discount in WooCommerce, whether you're running a seasonal sale or offering a special deal to boost conversions. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard and going to the WooCommerce settings. Inside the General tab, look for the option that says Enable the use of coupon codes. Make sure this option is turned on. This is important because without coupon codes, customers won't be able to apply any discounts during checkout. Once you enable it, save your changes so WooCommerce updates your settings. Now it's time to create the actual discount. Head to the marketing section in your dashboard and click on coupons. Select the option to add a new coupon. You will see a space to enter the coupon code your customers will type in, such as discount 15. You can also add an internal description if you want to remember why you created this coupon. Next, set up the discount type in the General tab. WooCommerce gives you a few options. You can choose a percentage discount, a fixed cart discount, or a fixed product discount. If you choose a percentage discount, simply type the number of the percentage you want to offer, like 15. WooCommerce automatically understands it as 15%. If you want a fixed amount off the cart or a specific product, enter the number without any currency symbol. Once you save the coupon, your discount is ready for customers to use during checkout. And that's all it takes. You have successfully added a discount in WooCommerce, making it easier to run promotions and attract more sales.